Hello, Shara. How are you doing?
I am good, thank you.
What do you do, Shara?
I am a student. I study in class 9.
What is your favorite subject?
English is my favorite subject.
Why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English because it is a global language.
Sounds good. How is your study going on, Shara?
My study's going well.
Who is your best teacher?
Mr. Sumit Sir is my best teacher.
What does Sumit Sir teach?
He teaches us English.
How old are you?
I am 13 years old.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading book and singing.
That's great. How many friends do you have?
I have many friends at a school, but I mostly talk to 9 to 10 friends.
Your 9-10 friends, are they both including girls and boys?
No, they all are girls.
Don't you have any boyfriend?
Yes, I don't have.
Why? Don't you like to talk to boys?
I don't talk to boys.
Well done. You are a very good girl. Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have a brother.
How old is he?
He is 8 years old.
Which class does he study in?
He studies in class 4.
Do you teach him?
No, my mom teaches him.
What does your parents do?
My father is a police and my mother is a teacher.
Shara, does your father love you?
Yes, my father loves me.
Whom do you love the most, mom or dad?
I love my father more.
Who loves you more, your mom or dad?
Both love me equally.
Who gives you money?
They both give me money.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
What is your favorite animal?
I love cat.
Have you ever visited abroad?
No, I have not yet.
Do you like donkey?
No, I don't like donkey.
Are you vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
I am vegetarian.
How are you feeling today?
Today I'm feeling joy. It was a great day today. I'm feeling fantastic talking to you.
Even I am too happy talking to you. So we will meet again in future. Take care. And goodbye,
Goodbye.
friends. Please subscribe to the channel and get more videos. Thank you.